Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the basic battery in Subnautica 2. You'll need 2 times copper and 1 acidic rayon pouch. The copper can be found inside of caves and on the overhangs on some rock formations. So as you can see here, I found some copper on the ceiling cave, and the acidic rayon pouch, which is the second ingredient you'll need, can be found inside of these caves too, on which you'll need the multi-tool to cut them, like this. Also, another location where you can find the acidic pouches is inside of these coral domes. They are not in all of them, but as you can see, they are really common to find them inside of this. So, once you've gathered all the materials, you want to go to your base or the life pod and go inside of the fabricator. Here you want to go to resources and click the basic battery. So this is pretty much all how to get the basic battery in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.